Guys, I'm out here on my range today and I wanted to bring to you a very special announcement regarding our channel here on YouTube. As many of you guys are aware, YouTube for quite some time has been very unfavorable to the gun community. There's channels that have been demonetized, others with videos that have been demonetized, including my own. There are channels that have been completely shut down because of the policies that YouTube has implemented. This goes back now a couple of years. I know that it's been a real big impact on a lot of small gun channels. However, there are some of us that have persevered through and kept going, you know, and we do this because we enjoy it. There's a lot of channels on here that their videos have been demonetized. They get absolutely no revenue whatsoever from them, but they keep doing it for the simple fact that they enjoy making gun content videos. For some time I have been working to try to expand the reach of this channel. I started this channel a few years ago. It's been growing, and I will admit that for a brief period when YouTube started going through all of the process of demonetizing, that I wondered if it was going to continue. I thought about doing away with it and just cutting my losses and moving on. However, I enjoyed doing it. I kept getting more comments on the videos that I'd uploaded about how much that people had enjoyed them and that sort of thing. So I wanted to find a way to be able to keep going. So, that being said, one of the things that I did is, of course, I do have affiliate links down in the description of all of my videos. Those of you who are familiar with affiliate links, basically if you purchase something through one of those links, I get a small commission, very small commission, off of those items that are down there. Usually I post targets and that sort of thing. It kind of helps to offset the cost of ammunition and expenses for the channel, targets, that sort of thing for myself. So that being said, that is how I have helped to keep this going. Also been working with trying to get into other creator communities on that, and recently, thanks to the work of a lot of great folks, we have been approved for a channel on Full 30. Now what that means, I'm still going to be doing videos here on YouTube, but as the channel grows, I'm going to be able to expand out and do other things that I would like to do that YouTube simply will not allow. One thing that they don't allow anymore is gun build videos, things like that. I hope to eventually get to the point to where I can do videos like that, but they will be exclusively for Full 30 because they're not allowed on YouTube. But I've got a special shout out for a few folks that have helped me along the way. Special shout out to Lone Wolf McQuaid. You know who you are, buddy. I appreciate everything that you did. Also Tactical Reviews, also Nick over at Full 30, all the guys that have pulled for me over there. I know that I'm forgetting some of you. I apologize, but it has been great. I really appreciate your help. I also want to thank every one of you guys, all of the subscribers to the channel here on YouTube. At the time that I'm making this video, we're nearly 9,000 subscribers and growing. Again, it's a small channel, but we're growing more each day. Guys, I'm going to leave a link down in the description to where you can go over to Full 30 and follow me on there. It's a great place. Those of you who may not be familiar with Full 30, it is all firearms and outdoor sports related content. And any of you guys who own small businesses, Full 30 is a great place to advertise. I know that some of my followers here on YouTube have manufacturing companies that manufacture different accessories for guns. I know there's a few of you guys that are holster makers and make other things related to firearms. Check them out. I will also leave a link down below to where you can get a little bit more information about their advertising for you guys who are interested. It's a great place. It is super focused on outdoors, on firearms especially, and it's a great way to get your word out about your business. So check them out. I'll leave the links down below. Guys, thanks very much. I appreciate all of the efforts done by all of you guys, especially you guys over at Full 30 that have been pulling me along the way, that have helped me finally get to the point of being able to start a channel there. Thank you to every one of the subscribers here, because if it was not for the subscriber base here, it would be impossible to get Full 30 to have paid any attention. So guys, I really appreciate it. Also, be sure to check out my website. I have got a lot of articles that are related to a lot of the videos that I do. I put a lot more detail in some of those. There are also some articles there on other topics, firearm related, self-defense related, that sort of thing. But guys, I appreciate all the help that every one of you have given me. Thanks for all of the support. Check us out on Full 30, and we'll see you next time.